Pizza Express. Oh. Hello? Jesus. Sir? Sir, are you okay? Sir? Sir, please. Oh my god. Oh my god, phone. Phone, 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 phone. Phone, 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 any phone. Any phone. Phone. Come on, come on. Hello, good evening, officer. Yes, this is a Panda Express pizza deliverer, Scott. I'm delivering pizza. I think I delivered it to the wrong house. 32 Saint Street Boulevard. And there's someone here. He passed out just on the floor. I don't know what's going on. Yeah. Okay. Please send someone ASAP. Thank you very much. Shit. Any cash? Any cash? $100. But that's it. Why not?